got a nigga mad.
Hey guys, and today we're going to be reviewing the Trident mobile patch for UniDokkan. If you don't know what UniDokkan is, I'll put a link in the description to that video that I made about UniDokkan. But basically, Trident mobile is like a private server. Basically, it just allows you to use the newest units completely rainbowed on Dokkan Battle. So how you obtain this is there will be a link in the description to the Trident Discord. Once you get there, make sure you get accepted, and then go to the Trident Releases tab, and as you should see, the latest Trident mobile version should be listed here, which is 1.1.7. Once you've done that, just add it to UniDokkan Patcher. Then we're going to be using Japan, since, in my opinion, the units on here are just better than newer units. Especially that Hey, now that we're in the game, as you should see, there's an LR, Goku, and Frieza. Also, I forgot to mention that all the characters that you have favorited will not change. They will just be fully maxed out super attack, have a fully maxed out super attack, and rainbowed. But these are all the characters, all of them. These characters that haven't even been Dokkan awakened, Z awakened, will not change. They will just stay the same. But also another cool thing that I've also noticed, some cards that have transformations on Trident, they separate the transformations from the actual cards. Okay, here, I'll show you real quick. Okay, here, we'll just make this is my Universal Saga team. Here, I'll just change it. Okay, here, let's see. Okay, as you can see, this card is the card with that actually transforms into Gogeta. This is the actual transformation. So basically, it allows you to use just the transformation by itself as a normal card. And I think that's very cool and interesting. As you can see, look, there's the transformation. You go back to the actual card, Fusion, Super Gogeta. And basically that's it for this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit that little bell, and if you have any questions or concerns, put them in the comments below. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.